menonton a video prosedur how to make strawberry chocolate pudding.
Pudding powder, strawberry, sugar, chocolate bar, and banana leaf. First, take a pan and pour 150 of water. Then, add the pudding powder and sugar. After that, turn on the stove and stir briefly. Next, add the banana leaf. Then keep stirring until it burns. Turn off the stove and wait a minute. When you wearing it, you can separate the strawberries from the leaves. Then wash the strawberries. And slice the strawberries. After that, add the strawberries and a bowl mold. Next, pour the pudding into the mold. And wait a minute. Then put it in the refrigerator. Wait 2 hours. When you're wearing it, you can cut the chocolate bar. And then melt the chocolate bar.
Two hours later.
After 2 hours, take the pudding from the refrigerator. And transfer the pudding from the mold to the plate. After that, pour the melted chocolate. Next, add ground chocolate and strawberries. Finally, the pudding is ready